Hello again, welcome back to Great Signature. In today's video I'll be sharing with you my Koobi and egg stew. So Koobi is salted tilapia. All right guys, so look at the stew, look at how beautiful it is. This is not just beautiful, it is delicious and flavor packed. All right, so without much ado, let's get straight into it. So the ingredient I'll be using for this recipe is 6 fresh eggs and 1 tablespoon of shrimp powder, 1 whole salted tilapia, which is commonly known in Ghana as Koobi. I'll be using 5 fresh tomatoes. So if you're using the canned one, you can use only one. All right, and then 1 large size of onion, 1 habanero pepper, and then half a thumb size of ginger. So I'll start off by prepping my Koobi, which is the salted tilapia. Okay, so I'll cut it into small bite size, but then if you want to cut those into 2 or 3 pieces, you are okay to do that. All right, but I prefer cutting it into smaller pieces. Okay, so yeah, after cutting it, I'll then remove the black lining that is in there, and then the gill as well, because I don't want that, so I'll remove that. Actually, I'll just remove any part of it that I do not like. Okay, so yes. Okay, so as you can see, my chopping board is moving around. This is because I didn't place the slip guard underneath. All right, so yes, anytime you are using the chopping board, make sure you place your slip pad underneath, or if you don't have a slip pad, you can use a multi-purpose cloth. Just wet it and then lay it on your worktop before placing your chopping board on it. Okay, so I'll show you that when I am prepping my veggies. All right, so look at that. I don't want all that in my stew. Okay, so next is my a bowl. I will just put all the Koobi in there and then give it a very nice or a very good wash. After that, I'll discard the water and then add more water to it. This time I'm soaking it because Koobi is highly salted. So you want to soak it for some few minutes to get rid of some of the salt before you start cooking with it. And also when cooking with Koobi, you have to be very careful with salt. Do not add salt to your soup or stew or whatever you are cooking it with until the food is completely cooked. Taste for salt, and then if there is the need to add in more, you then add in more, which is why you didn't see in the ingredients, the list of ingredients, salt, any salt, because it is very salty. All right, so next I am prepping my veggies. I'm doing the onions first. So as you can see, I've laid my wet multi-purpose cloth on my worktop before placing the chopping board on, so my chopping board is not moving around. Okay, yes, so I'm done with the onions, and then the next is the pepper, habanero pepper. Transfer it into a bowl. Give my chopping board a very nice wipe. And then next is the ginger. All right, so next is my ginger. I'll peel the skin off it. Oh, mom would tell me off if she should catch me peeling the ginger this way. She doesn't want that. No, she doesn't want that. She will tell you, no, you are wasting the ginger. And that is true. It is completely true. You don't have to peel it like that. You have to use the blank part of your knife, the back, and then just scrub it. Okay, so at this point, I am grating my ginger. And that's it there. So finally, the tomatoes, and we are done. All right, so now into my pot or pan, I'll add in some oil. I am using sunflower oil. You can use any oil that you have available. All right, so I'll leave this to sit for about 2 to 3 minutes. And then to check if my oil is hot enough, I'll just drop in a piece of onion. And yes, the oil is hot, so now I'm putting in my Koobi or salted tilapia. So all I'm doing now is to release the flavor in the Koobi into my oil. So as you can see, the oil has changed color. Infusion of flavor is taking place right now. Okay, so my Koobi has been frying in the oil for about 5 minutes, and that's enough. So now I've added in my diced or sliced or chopped onions. I'll give this a very good stir. Leave this to cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, and then we'll continue. All right, so yes, my onion has been frying for 4 minutes. So at this point, I've added in my grated ginger and my chopped habanero peppers. I'll give this a very gentle stir. Leave this to cook for about another 3 more minutes, and then I'll add in my diced tomatoes. Okay, so at this point, I'm adding in my diced tomatoes. I'll give this a very good stir. And in the next 20 minutes, my stew should be ready. This doesn't take long. No, no, no. It doesn't take long at all. Okay, so yeah, after giving it a very good stir, I will then cover it and then leave it to simmer for about 5 to 10 minutes. Right, so yeah, at this point, I'll give my stew a very good stir. And then go ahead and add in my shrimp powder. That shrimp powder is going to add more flavor to this. Okay, so this is all natural ingredients. I didn't add in any seasoning because Koobi itself is very, very nice. All right, so at this point, I have my cracked eggs here. I will beat or whisk this and then pour it in the stew. All right, so just spread it, pour it everywhere, just as I'm doing in the video. All right, yes, and then I'll cover this fully to trap the heat or the vapor in there. And then I'll turn off the heat. Oh no, I'll turn down the heat to the lowest setting. So it's just the vapor that is going to cook the egg. All right, so here I'll give it a very nice and gentle stir. Cover it again and leave it for 2 to 3 minutes. And now here you are. Our egg and Koobi stew is done. All it took me is just half an hour. So you can actually have this stew with some boiled yam, as I am doing. I'll be doing. I'm having it with some boiled yam supported by avocado. You can also have this stew with some boiled plantain or rice or eba. Ooh, I love this stew with eba. It's just amazing. All right, guys, so that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. If today is your first time stopping by, a very warm welcome to Grace Signature. Before you leave, make sure you subscribe. Turn on your notification bell, meaning anytime I upload a video, you'll be among the first to be notified. And to my subscribers, thank you all so much for your support to this channel. God richly bless you. So I'll see you again in my next one. Bye-bye.